everyone, welcome back to Rayyan, the place where coding meets comedy. I'm your host Rayyan, and today we are talking about something every Python programmer needs to know: object-oriented programming (OOP) classes. Because let's face it, without classes, your code is like a messy room. Everything's there, but you can't find a thing. Think of a class as a blueprint for creating objects. Like if life was a Python, then every human will be an object, and the blueprint for us will be probably coffee or a stress. In this video, I will show you how to create a classes in Python that are so well structured. Even your messy college roommate will say, "Wow, I could organize my life like this." So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive into the world of classes because Python is classy and so are you. Introduction to object-oriented programming (OOP) in Python. Below is an example demonstrating the core principles of OOP: encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism using a Python class. Python OOP, a simple example with classes. Here, this one, all the codes, here you can see it. Let me copy this code and let me run it. First of all, I explain this code, what is written in this code. Let me show you. First of all, let me make one file by the name of index.py, and I'm making this file in my documents. So, first of all, here we define a base of a class for animals. Here you can see it. Then, here we initialize an animal instance, parent name, the name of the animal, then param species, the species of the animal. Then, here there is one method to be overridden by subclasses for specific sounds. Then there is a print details about the animal. Here you can see it. Then here define a subclass for a dog, and then here it initialize a dog instance inheriting from animal. And there is one param name, the dog's name, then param breed, the dog's breed. Then here it is override the make sound method for dog. Then here is simulate fetching an item. Then here it define a subclass for a cat, and here it initialize the cat instance inheriting from animal, parent name, the cat's name, and the param color is the cat's color. Then here is override the make sound method for cat, and then here simulate the cat stretching. Okay, then here it demonstrate the use of these classes. Then here it creates an instance of dog and cat, and here is describe the animals. Now here it is describing the animals. Here you can see it. Now let me show which type of output it will give me. Save it and run it. So now it is giving me I'm a dog, name Buddy. Buddy says wolf, woof. Buddy is the fetching the ball. I'm a cat, name Whiskers. Whiskers says meow. Whiskers is stretching the furniture. Why this is coming? Because here I write like this. If I change it, is the stretching, like this. Now save it and run it. So now it is giving me, here you can see it. Now it is giving me here, Buddy is the stretching the ball. Here you can see it like that. And I do not write here ball. Why it is giving me ball? Because I write here item variable. And in my item variable, where is my item variable? Let me see. In my item variable, I write there ball. So that's what it is giving me. Okay. So like that you can do it. So now let me minimize it. What this code covers, what this all codes cover, or like I have told you, here it is giving you here it defines a subclass for a dog, then here it defines a base class for animals, like that. Or if I explain you in the short form, encapsulation means it attributes and methods are bundled inside the classes. Number 2, inheritance. Dog and cat inherit common attributes and methods from an animal. Number 3, polymorphism. It makes a sound method behave differently for dog and a cat. Let me show you. Here I use the polymorphism. Here the make sound is used for polymorphism. Okay, and here we create an instance of a dog and a cat using the polymorphism. And here what we can do here, and then here we use the inheritance, where we use the inheritance here. here we use the inheritance, okay, like that. So here you can see it in today's video. I told you about the what are in the HTML, in the Python, what are, I give you the introduction to object oriented programming. Not I told you about the simple class example with classes. In today's video I told you about it. So I hope you can enjoy this class. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, friend, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell option. I will never any future later videos about the Python. So I know this video is smaller. This video is smaller because this is the starting videos of the object oriented programming. The starting videos of the object oriented programming will be smaller. But when we come over third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 video, so it will be bigger than this video. Okay, so but I meet you next class, and next video I'm making that video. So for today, goodbye.